Spider-Man is a superhero film directed by Sam Raimi and starring Tobey Maguire as the titular character. One of the most memorable and iconic moments from the film is the train sequence, where Spider-Man attempts to stop a runaway train filled with passengers from crashing. The moment showcases Spider-Man's strength, agility, and heroism, as he struggles to save the train and its passengers while battling his arch-nemesis Dr. Octopus. The train sequence has been widely praised for its thrilling action, emotional weight, and impressive visual effects, and is often considered one of the greatest moments in superhero cinema history.